Well, this is the XR650 RallyRaid fairing from RallyRaid in England. It's fiberglass, and I received it. It's just kind of rough in its finishing. Doesn't have very even shape, as you can see. When it's leveled up at the end here, it's not at all equal on the two sides. One of them is touching hard. There's another bit of flaw there in the making. It arrived from England pretty scuffed up. It was just wrapped in bubble wrap and shipped that way. Pretty surprising. And yeah, it's just kind of the whole thing. Other than that, I guess it's pretty okay. The inside is quite rough. It's made on the inside of the form, I guess. And there you can see where the gel coat is cracked by presumably by the shipping, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, it's just not a super uniform piece of work. Here's another view of it with the bottom end placed firm against the table. This side is down firm, and then this side is tapering up quite a lot. And if you look at the end here, you can see that it's just twisted. The whole thing is kind of twisted. See what I mean? And here, looking inside, if you look at this side, you can see that there. That measures about there you go. It's like 5.5 inches, almost 5 3/8, 5.5. But the other side, do the same thing here, is more like 5 1/8. So there's quite a bit of difference there. Alright, so it's been about an hour of fooling around and straightening out edges, and I've gotten it to be as good as I think I can. And it is still a little crooked because it's twisted. Look at it there. I don't know if you can see that, but it is kind of. Maybe that makes it a little clearer. And yeah, so it is still, it's pretty rough. There's a lot of spots that are going to need to be sanded and smoothed and stuff. And of course, the inside is not lovely, but it is a dirt bike, and so I don't know. Anyways, not to knock RallyRaid or anything, but I think you should know what you're getting if you get one of these. That's it. Love and kisses.